Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm showing you guys the exact path that I take to go to the waterfall, and let's go with me. Let's go. It's actually very nearby, you know, so we gotta take this little street, and then yeah, that's the street that I grew up in, for my childhood and stuff. And that house was mine. Yeah. My father sold it, long time ago. And then we stayed at the back of the land, so he built a house there. And that's it. Akira, hi. Sweetie. I love that dog, little dog. She's so cute. Okay, Laon, let's go. Almost getting there. Can you see the mountains? Hi, sweetie. I also love that dog. I pet him every time I am here, I pet him. Anyway, so that mountain, there is a waterfall very, how can I say? Yeah, very far away from here, but actually I'm going to a nearby waterfall, which is amazing. You guys are gonna love it. And some of you guys have already seen it, right? I know you guys are subscribed, so you guys have seen it. And by the way, thank you so much for subscribing, and I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. You guys are really special to me. So we're almost getting there. Now, yeah, there's another street and then a little bit of a hill, and that's it. Yay! My gosh, it's so hot today. It's like almost 40 degrees, I think. I'm wearing a hat. Look. Yeah. I'm safe, but I actually forgot sunscreen. But it's a very short, trip, so I think I'll be okay. Neighbors. Yeah, I'm getting to the good part where there's shadow. And then there is a little hill, and a little up that hill there's the waterfall. So I'm gonna take a breath. I need to take a breath. Now it's only uphill, and then the waterfall is almost there. I'll show you guys later. Oh my gosh, I'm almost there. The pineapples have already grown, and I think someone has already harvested them because they're not here anymore. Maybe a little bit further there will be a few pineapples. I love watching them grow, because they're just like a little piece of that no leaves and stuff, and then it becomes a very beautiful and round and sweet fruit, right? So cute. And I have planted a few stuff here. Oops, I almost fell again. I have planted a tree here. I don't know where it is now. I have also planted a few, like cucumbers and a few flowers. I think they're here. Let's see. I think the cucumbers are there. Yeah, the cucumbers are there. No? I don't think so. Maybe. No. Yeah. Cucumbers there, definitely, right? I think those are cucumbers. Yeah, I planted those a long time ago. I have also planted a few flowers, but I think they didn't grow. Really beautiful stuff here. And I'm gonna have to see where is my tree Actually, my mother planted the tree. I'm gonna show you guys. Let me take a breath. I'm almost there. You know, that part is already planted. Look, they have planted some. I think cassava. It's a very popular root in Brazil, and yeah, I'm almost there. Look, that's the way. Almost there, and I'm gonna have to stop for a little bit. Oh yeah, the tree is up there. You know, I remember now. It's a very big land, but I remember we planted the tree up there. My gosh, it's really, really tiresome, but really worth it. That waterfall is so amazing, and I love swimming in it and putting my feet under the, you know, the cascade, which is amazing. Oh my gosh, someone has stolen a pineapple. My gosh, why? Well, the tree is, I think the tree is, let me check. Where's my tree? I think, let me see. Ah, it was supposed to be here, but I don't think it is. Oh, I'm gonna find it, you know, on the way back, for sure. So I'll see you guys there. There's no one here, I think. Wait. Oh my gosh. Oopsie. Yeah, it's clear. There's nobody here. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to cross this path. I'm finally here. My gosh. It's like a miracle. Look how amazing. I'm gonna go swim right there.